You mentioned his book because his book, it's called Crippled America, released today, and at a press conference for the book, he didn't hold back. I want you to listen to this.
Marco Rubio's personal finances are discredited. Oh, no, his personal finance, all you have to do is look at his credit card. I mean, he is a disaster with his credit cards. And I'll tell you what, I love Florida. I'm in Florida all the time. And for years I've been hearing that his credit cards are a disaster. I would think when you take a look at it, you're going to find that. But his credit card debt and his problems with credit card and what he did when he was running the party apparatus with credit cards, I've heard about it for years. Well, he has a very bad record of finances. If you look at what happened with his houses, with his, you know, he certainly lives above his means. There's no question about that.
I want Kevin and Rick to get in on this quickly. I don't have much time. Why do you think he's going so hard against, what does it say that he's going so hard against Rubio?
Well, Rubio, I mean, the buzz right now on Rubio is pretty great. Folks starting to see him emerging as probably the candidate that comes out of that other bracket, which is the more traditional candidate bracket. So Trump wants to take that head on right now before he has to take it on later.
Is he kind of a hybrid, though, Rubio, you think? Sort of a traditional politician?
If you look at the genesis of Marco Rubio as a national candidate, it came from the energy of the Tea Party back when he ran for Senate and took on what was then the traditional sort of establishment candidate in Charlie Crist in Florida. So he has an ability, probably better than anybody in this race right now, to bring together the traditional wing of the party with the outsider wing of the party.
Rick, I'll give you the last word.
Well, being the Democrat that he secretly is, Donald Trump, of course, was regurgitating and vomiting out Charlie Crist's discredited talking points about Marco Rubio. He was reading straight from the Charlie Crist Oppo file, a series of assertions which have been thoroughly debunked and dismissed. And it doesn't surprise me because Donald Trump is spiritually and politically, frankly, a Democrat running as the same kind of rhetoric and talking points that Charlie Crist did against Marco, rather unsuccessfully, I may add.
Rick, next time you come on, I want you to say how you really feel.